Hey gang, how you doing? It's Jonathan again from Tailhunter International. Time once again for the Mexican Minute La Paz video fishing report, and this is going to cover all of the fishing action for the Tailhunter Sportfishing fleet in La Paz, Baja, Mexico for the 20th through the 27th of January 2018. Hope wherever you are, you're doing well. Thanks for checking in. Let me tell you a little bit about fishing. Underscore the word little bit. You know, not much fishing going on. If you follow us regularly, you know that from about November to April, it's off season. Not many folks fishing. It can be a little rough. Really choppy out there. Some days they don't even let us get off the beach. Well, we did have some people earlier in the week, but you know, the winds came up, it was rough, it was choppy out there, and I told folks, listen, love your business, love to take your money, but I don't want to take it and you not have a good time. And you know, I told the folks, stay in, hang out by the pool, have a margarita, go into town, have yourself a nice lunch, kick back. It's not supposed to be an exercise in futility and staying dry. So we canceled the trips. I think that was the better thing to do. Let folks have a good time rather than get wet, get bounced around, maybe not even catch any fish. So anyway, not much to tell you about the fishing. It's just like that this time of year. We've got a lot of new subscribers, so we wanted to let folks know that from about November to April, there's not many folks fishing. Like I said, it can be very rough. You have some good days in there, but also you have some really crazy days, and there's just no way to tell. And I'd rather folks hang out than go out because we're not really going out very far, and it can get really rough out there. Anyway, so what I'm going to do this week, I'm going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do snappy answers to quick questions, and we've got some letters. You know, this is the time of year when folks ask us a lot of questions about coming down. So got a couple letters here, and you know, we'll answer some of the questions. This is from Jimmy. He's from Alaska, as a matter of fact, and he asks, how long is a fishing day if we fish with Tailhunter? Well, you know, most of the days we start out, we pick you up about 5:30 from the beach. You're back about 3 or 3:30 in the afternoon. I know that doesn't sound very long, but you think about it, we're not running 10, 20, 30 miles offshore. It's not a long boat ride. Much of our fishing is literally within yards of the beach. Most of the fish you see on our website, on our brochure, other materials that we have for promotions, almost all of those fish can be caught within 100, 200 yards of the beach. So you're going to be spending more time fishing, less boat rides. So it doesn't sound like a long day, but believe me, you get a lot of fishing in it. And by the time that 2, 3, 3:30 comes around, you're ready to come in. But the other thing is, if you're coming during our fishing season, the sun's not going down till, 9:30. So you've still got time to, jump in the water, take a swim, hit the pool, hit happy hour, go get a massage, go enjoy, a nice sunset dinner, walk around town a little bit. So there's still time to enjoy some sunshine. So hope that answers your question. And I've got another one here from Terry. Terry is from Kansas. And Terry asks, what is the best time to catch Dorado? Dorado are fantastic fish. When the season's on, probably 70% of our catch are Dorado. And these fish, otherwise known as mahi-mahi, if you go to the restaurant, delicious eating fish, easy to catch, spectacular fighters, colorful fish. You want to come down during the warmer months. Now, we're already starting to get some. It's only January. It's unusual for us to get them this early in the year. So we're starting to see a couple of them, but the best time to target them is going to be when the waters start warming up. May, June, gets better in July, August, September, October. There's Dorado all around. In fact, I was just telling someone here at the show, we're at the Puyallup Fairgrounds just south of Seattle, and we're here in our booth, and I was just telling somebody who came up to our booth yesterday, the last time Jill and I went out, in 3 hours, we caught 99 Dorado. Yeah, 99 Dorado in 3 hours. Had a great time. We only kept 2 for dinner. We released all the rest, but it can be spectacular, way fun fishing. Great for the family, great for first-timers. So the best time to come down is going to be in the warmer months of the year, from about May or June until about October. Got one more question here, and this is, how do we bring our fish home? This is from Alan, who comes from San Francisco. Alan, we encourage catch and release. We love for you to return the fish, but you're allowed to keep 10 fish per person per day. No more than 5 of any one species. There's a couple little glitches here and there. But for the most part, think of that. You and your buddy, each of you get 10 fish a day, and you do indeed get to bring those home within those limits. Now, here's the other part about it, is there's no size limit for the most part. Certainly we encourage returning the small ones, but those 10 fish can be, a 1-pound fish, or they can be 100-pound fish. We include cutting and cleaning your fish. We've got big walk-in freezers. You bring it home in an ice chest, wrap it up. You're really only a couple hours away from home. If you want us to commercially process your fish, commercially vacuum seal, label and date it. We do that as well. Bring it in. We'll take care of that. You bring it home in an ice chest just like a piece of luggage, or bring it to our Tailhunter restaurant. We've got a whole separate menu. In fact, Jill's working up a brand new menu that's going to be hitting our restaurant in a few weeks, but we've got a whole separate menu with just all of the great ways to cook up your fish. So anyway, a couple of snappy answers to short questions, and that's going to do it for our Mexican Minute for this week from the 20th through the 27th of January. Right now, as I mentioned, we're in the Puyallup Fairgrounds. That's in Washington. We're just south of Seattle. This is the 5th day of a spectacular 5-day show that we've had. I'm losing my voice already. Talked to so many great people. A lot of folks signing up for trips this year. So if you're planning on coming down, we've got 10 more shows. Don't wait until we get to your town to talk to us or send us an email or call us. Dates are filling really, really quickly. We had a spectacular fishing year last year. A lot of folks want to come back. A lot of folks heard about it, so they're already signing up. They're grabbing your favorite captains. They're getting the great rooms. So don't wait, okay? Get in touch with us. There's contact information all over everything, so we'd love to have you down. Folks are about ready to come in, so I'm sorry to cut this short. There's a big line outside the doors here at the Puyallup Fairgrounds in Washington. If you're in the area, please come and see us. Our next show is going to be at the Portland Expo Center in Portland, Oregon. I'll push the dates at the end of this video, and you can take a look. Hope to see you then. Anyway, I'm Jonathan for Tailhunter International. Sorry, folks are starting to come in. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Hope you have a great week. And this is the Mexican Minute. And hi, Jill. Both of us are here, okay? You take care. Thanks a lot for checking in.